好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host, a native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word or phrase that you can start using right away. Today's word is Fàng. Fàng. It usually means to put or to place. But you'll soon discover this simple character appears in many everyday expressions. Let's get started. Today's character is Fàng. Fàng. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Fàng. Again, Fàng. One more time, Fàng. Fàng uses the fourth tone. Your voice drops firmly. Listen again. Fàng. Fàng. Now let's build your Mandarin. Once you know Fàng, you can understand many useful expressions. 放下, 放下, put it down. 放假, 放假, have a vacation or holiday. Imagine your friend comes over to your house carrying a heavy backpack. You smile and say, 放这里, 放这里, 放这里. Put it here. Simple, natural, and something native speakers say every day. Now, here's a fun expression. 放鸽子, 放鸽子. Literally, it means release a pigeon, but native speakers use it to mean to stand someone up. So why a pigeon? One popular explanation goes back to the days when people used carrier pigeons to deliver messages. Sometimes a pigeon arrived, but there was no message attached. The sender hadn't kept their promise. Over time, people began using 放鸽子 to describe someone who doesn't show up or breaks a promise. Now imagine your friend says they'll meet you for dinner. You wait and wait, but they never come. Later, you jokingly say, 你放我鸽子. 你放我鸽子. You stood me up. And that's today's daily Mandarin word, 放. Fàng. Let's practice together 3 times. 放. 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 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you